Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video we will be learning how to enable Gyroscope on Knives Out game. If you want to enable Gyroscope on Knives Out, then follow along till the end. First of all, open up the Knives Out game on your mobile device and from the main menu, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right. This will open up the settings menu. From the settings menu, click on the battle and select basic. Inside basic, you will see the gyro option. Click on either always on or ADS enabled. I'm gonna choose always on. Once enabled, you can customize the gyroscope sensitivity by scrolling a bit down under ADS sensitivity. Select the option, enable or disable the gyro option according to your preferences, and once you are done, this can greatly improve your aiming precision and overall gameplay experience by allowing you to use device movements for aiming. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.